Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the New Jersey hub, where under-11s showcase their cricketing prowess. The Royal Blazers and RRANJ Comets clash in a tight tussle, with each ball promising a story of young dreams and strategic warfare.
The fresh scent of cut grass and budding talent. These younglings stride out with the legacy of legends whispering in their ears, as the Blazers and Comets prepare to carve a new chapter in this cricketing fairy tale.
In a low-scoring thriller, the Blazers scraped home by 2 runs. Extras flowed like a torrential downpour, matching the runs by the top scorers and setting up an unexpected hero in this whisker-wind tale.
The Comets, flickering bright, fell just shy of eclipsing their opponents. The bowlers spun a web, but it was the rain of wides and no balls that swelled the Blazers' sails, guiding them to an unforeseen shore.
Reyansh Kishan stood not out, anchoring the Blazers with a resolute 50. Although wickets tumbled, the extras boosted their tally, turning out to be an unlikely ally in building a competitive score.
The Comets' bowlers, particularly Ritwik and Vedant, plucked wickets at intervals that mattered. Yet, their grip slipped when it came to containing the surges of wides, a blemish on an otherwise disciplined spell.
The Comets, steadied by the partnership of Yagaved and Vedant, saw hopes dashed as wickets fell in a cascade. The Blazers' bowling edged them closer to victory with each thunderous appeal.
Reyansh Kishan turned his bat into a magic wand and with the ball, conjured a trio of dismissals. The Comets' resistance, spirited yet scattered, was eventually undone by the wiles of Arjun and Pratyush's strategic strikes.
Reyansh Kishan, with bat and ball, emerged the game's luminary, casting a shadow over the Comets' ambitions. Ritwik Jan and Arjun Kanakiya's spells wove a compelling subplot to this cricketing theatre.
Reyansh's all-round brilliance swung the pendulum, while Arjun's timely interventions with the ball scripted a nail-biting climax. Impact is measured not just by runs and wickets, but by the ability to rise in crucial junctures.
The Royal Blazers emerged victorious, clinching the win by just 2 runs. It was a contest where extras and strategic bowling overshadowed the bat's might, tilting the scales in a closely fought battle.
The drumbeat of victory resonates for the Blazers, a narrow escape, yet a leap for their cricketing odyssey. For the Comets, it's a case of what could have been, pondering how close they brushed with triumph. Like a young Sachin in the making, Kishan's poise with the willow and guile with the ball remind us of cricket's infinite narratives. Today's saga, etched in the hearts of the Blazers, will echo in future contests.
This skirmish might be over, but its echoes will linger. For the Blazers, it's a tale of triumph. For the Comets, a reminder that in cricket, glory and despair walk side by side until the next clash resumes their story.